I'm gonna remix a news theme into drum and bass, cause why not? Right, pulled this from the YouTube library, and let's get straight into it. Anyway, we need to get the tempo warping sorted. We want 174, obviously, DMB. Ah, this is gonna be weird. You know what's about to go down. I haven't used this in ages. Is it Farrick 1 or 10? Do I need to detune? Oh, I forgot what I'm doing. Disgusting!
Disgusting!
Okay, how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? Little cheeky intro. Intro's basically done. Oh! Good start, good start. Main intro done. And then we need a fat snare. I kind of like that actually, first one. Alright, to triplets, command 3, change the grid slightly. Where's the triplets at? No? Okay, where's the OTTs? 10. Need so much more sub on that. Basic shapes. Let's go triplets. Oh, we even need Chuck Trash 2 on the group. That's gonna sound sick when that's implemented. Okay, and the secret sauce. Overdrive. And the second secret sauce, harmonics. There we go, way fuller sub bass. Something like that? Where's the secret sauce trash to? It is clip control. We're getting there. That needs to be louder. Fuck it, we roll another one. Yeah, and that is that. Newsroom goes D&B. Thank you guys for watching. My sample packs and serum presets are in the description. See you guys in the next video. Have a great day and peace. Oh, I need the kit.